Okay, let's examine my asset. Today is 2025 9 18 days, and I downloaded already my asset Minimap Creator. So this asset is today's asset. So if you download from now, your Minimap Create asset will be same with this asset, and Unreal Engine version is 5.6 5.61. I'm going to make a new world world partition map, file, new level, empty open world level. Don't save. First I'm going to create a new landscape, and I will place light, directional light, and I'm going to place some object, messy red object, copy, like this, copy. As you can see, this is a world partition map, and I'm going to place basic player starter here. So if I play, I can see my character and my red object. First I have to make before do that I have to save my world. Save map. I create a map folder, and this is main world. So I create my new map, and I need to create map texture, right? World map or minimap texture. So I'm going to go to my blueprint folder and capture world grid type. Basically, default world partition map setting, you should place this capture world, this location just 0, 0, 0. So if I play, I can see this map creator like this. If you place this actor 0, 0 location, you can see this like this, exactly center of landscape. So I make like this. I don't like 305.8 point, so I'm going to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. I like this, and camera height move this because look at this landscape. Sculpt like this. You make like sculpt like this, and if you check this, as you can see, this black hole, in this case you have to move camera height like this, as you can see. Yeah, and it was 50,000. Yeah, and you can see a little bit this red object. Now I'm going to capture this world map for 1, 2, 3 folder, texture 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make like this, and this size will be 2048. If you change this to 4096 or 8192 in big size, if you make big size, then you should save your map first and restart the engine. For example, yeah, I'm going to create this world map or minimap create, and you don't need this capture world grid type. this capture only need when you develop your game. So if you go map textures, you can find the 123 folder, and you can see this texture. Very important thing is right click, save first, and go to asset setting, double click this, and add new row, and your main world name, label name is main world, so rename this main world. I just create map 1 2 3, this map, world map texture like this, minimap texture like this, and this 50,000, there is 50,000 name, so you should insert here by 50,000. This is world map dimension, this is minimap dimension. You should be careful this. Now, and I'm going to make minimap and world map. So, third person, currently maybe this is your character. Yeah. For test, I'm going to make minimap and world map inside this character. So if I input maybe M, I'm going to make first game hot map first. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to make folder UI non-VMG and user interface, user blueprint here, and the user widget. This is UI game hot. Begin play. Create widget game hot. Game hot UI. I'm going to make it like this, and is valid. Okay. Canvas. Text. This is game hot. Now if you play, you can see this game hot. I'm going to place the minimap in here, and if I press M, I'm going to open world map. So go to game hot and minimap, UI minimap, and place like this. Or here, just you want 300 maybe. Now you can see this world map. No, I'm sorry. This minimap here, you can see. As you can see, exactly correct location. Please watch this ladder point. And if I like this, as you can see, this minimap location is correct to real world location, like this. Yeah. Yeah, correct. And yeah, they say I don't have a minimap casting, so I have to add here. Go to your character blueprint, add minimap, minimap casting, add this. Yeah, correct location. There's no error message, and main word down there. There is zoom. If I set dot 0.01, if I input like this, too much enlarged. So this is 7 or more, 5. Yeah, a little bit blurry, well, not high quality, because minimap creator map picture one. I created this world map, minimap, as a 2048 dimension. Look at this. It's a dimension. Dimension is a little bit small size. Of course, very good quality size, but this whole world is too much small. So I recommend, if you want a very good high quality minimap, please capture your map with 4096 or 4096 or 8192. Please capture with this size. Now I'm going to make a world map. Input let's make like this. UMG. I'm going to new user interface, user blueprint like this, and UI URLD world map, and I'm going to create world map 2 like this, Ctrl C B. This is world map. Oh, okay, no. This main word map main word, and I'm going to add a promote variable world map UI. Now if I input M, no, and I'm going to open this. Is in viewport. Wait a second. Ctrl C, Ctrl B, and branch. Now if I press M, as you can see, this is a world map like this. You can see this map. I'm going to add here world map like this, and anchor is like this. As you can see world map wait a second, I will stop recording just a little bit. Yeah, okay. By press M, you can see world map, but I cannot see my mouse, so I'm going to add some more node here. When I get player controller, and show mouse cursor. When I open world map, I'm going to show mouse cursor like this. Check here, and UI game, set input mode game and UI like this, and Ctrl C V. When close my world map, I'm not going to show mouse cursor, and this is game only. Input mode game only like this. Then press M, I can see mouse. You can large and make small with the mouse wheel, but there is no my character. I cannot see my character, so you should go to your character blueprint and click this and search here tag and plus, and if you go to asset setting main word like this, you can see player tag here. So go to your character and add a player like this, enter, compile and save, and press M. Now you can see your character here. Now I think this asset work with world map and minimap. Correct location, right? Correct location, and this asset work world map and minimap in world partition map. And next thing is I'm going to show you fog of war. Go to minimap creator. My character location is here, and blueprint here, and fog of war controller press like this. This if you open this, there is this node. Current level name. This means in this asset you should make main world row first. You make your name setting, then this will works. Or if you do not make this setting, this asset not work always here. So this will work now. Go here, construction script this. So if you increase like this, okay, and as you can see, this let's make more big. So as you can see, this is not works. Here works. This area works. This also works. Yeah, works. And the minimap not works. Let me see. I can change this black. As you can see, this fog of color has been changed. right? And if I change it, circle minimap, check. As you can see, minimap has been changed. And also minimap rotation, look at this. Yeah, it works. And fog over texture, if I change a second, this, as you can see, fog over texture has been changed. Unfortunately, this color not change will not this you cannot use a texture. This 3D world map fog over is just color, not you cannot insert texture. As you can see, just black color. And if I change red, you can see red fog over, but this is not texture. Texture will works with only minimap or world map. And next thing is I think draw size is too much big. For example, minimap. Where is minimap? I'm going to zoom just a one. As you can see, there is a fog over wall in minimap too, because I zoom too much, so this the draw size cover the whole size, so it changed. So I'm going to show you how to adjust this. To do that, for example, zoom, draw size zoom, not zoom, this zoom, 7 maybe. As you can see, I cannot see this, so I can change draw size. Draw size mean this. As you can see, this circle. As you can see, this circle size. How big size? I'm sorry, my bad English. I'm going to show you just word main word here, and go to draw size here. I'm going to change this small, just 1. As you can see, I just make small, so you can see now from now, like this. As you can see, very small size. If you change this, make big, as you can see, it changed. You said full screen map mode that works. As you can see, this is full screen. Yesterday I tested full screen mode. In full screen mode, it works. But okay, another thing I'm going to show you. There is a runtime minimap capture system. Go to blueprint, runtime capture here, then runtime capture here, runtime capture performance, runtime world map capture. currently please don't use runtime world map capture, just please use minimap capture. This is capture every frame, so place like this. As you can see, automatically capture every frame, but here I think go to setting, and here click here, dimension maybe 2000. As you can see, yeah, automatically capture location is correct, maybe by 1000. Yeah, this is a real time automatically. If you use this capture system, you don't need to capture this world map and minimap. Just place this capture system and just change it. You need this asset. Just change dimension. Just close 100. As you can see like this. But this capture system is a little bit expensive. If there is too much lag, please use performance version. Here, runtime minimap capture performance. Now you can capture your minimap every 2 seconds or every 1 second, like this. As you can see, like this, and go to 1000. Make more. As you can see, every 1 second capture your system. But if you change this value .1, as you can see, more, yeah, and the height is 6000. Quality is too much low. Let's change this. Zoom 1. Yeah, quality is better. And I'm going to see more close in this case. And 2000. Yeah, really bit close. As you can see, every 2 seconds this capture. And if you 0.01, very smooth. Yeah. So please change this value. And next thing is if you use a huge world map, so when you capture your world, you should change loading range, or everything is not visible, because in this world partition map, if you load here, this area object will not spawn, not visible, because of loading range. So go to world setting and runtime setting, runtime partitions, index, here loading range. You should change this. Please remember this value and make like this. Now if you play and let's capture this, this whole world object will be spun. So when you capture your system like this, you should careful this. You should care. Yeah, you should consider this value. Next, this is camera height. Next thing is when you use a real-time capture system, as you can see, currently very bright, but if you make day and night system, make like this, very dark area. If you play, as you can see, this is also black. In this case, you can change some setting. This is where did I put this? Capture performance here. Wait a second. Which thing is under capture? Here I can see. Finally, I found this. Look at this. In night time, there's so dark, so you cannot see. In this case, go to runtime, click performance version, click this, and capture scene. Change this to base color in RGB like this. As you can see, just a little bit. There is no shadow, but you can see just color without light like this. Okay. I think I'm going to show you one more thing. No, other tutorial, please watch my another video. So I'm going to show you about there is bug or not in this video. I think currently this asset works with the world partition map. About my bad, I'm sorry about my bad English, but I explain with the video, so I think you can understand me. If you have any other problem, I don't know. If you have any other question, please let me know. And thank you for your purchase. Thank you.